Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you my Model Y 2023 AWD doing a little fishtail going up a hill on ice just a couple days ago. Here I am approaching a truck which is going about 30 miles an hour. I'm going about 40 miles an hour, and we're going up this hill which ends up on a bridge, and there, right about there, a little bit of fishtailing. Yeah, this is on FSD 14224. Um, it recovered just fine. It did not have any issues, but you can see it wiggling back and forth a little bit there. Thanks for watching.